Cutis laxa kasi it's a very rare syndrome. It's like 35 cases all over the world pala. So, my son is the first recorded Cutis laxa syndrome inborn baby here in the Philippines. So, yung elastin, this is parang napaka-medical. Yung elastin natin na nag-hold ng mga organs, it weakens. Yung nag-hold ng lungs, heart, slowly nag-deteriorate yung immune system ng isang tao. So, my son is a year and a half old right now. Pero he's okay and he's fine and he's a fighter. And thank you sa lahat na nag-support sa anak ko, sa Cutis laxa. Lahat ng tao dito na pumunta, thank you so much. On behalf of our family, Jaja and Rafa, thank you so much. Yung mga listeners, pupils, nasa booth na ang layo na kayo, pero thank you so much. Love and respect for you guys. Thank you.
So guys, bago kayo mo, please do buy Cutis laxa shirts dun sa booth. I'm not sure exactly where it is. They do, you know. Pero ayun, tulungan natin si Wendell to raise funds for the medical needs of Rafa. Anyway, panawagan na mula sa amin sa inyo lahat. Happy Independence Day everyone. Give yourselves a hand. Work free.